Because the fourth thing that will make a woman obsessively attached to a man is using space and silence in your favor. Tandaan nyo, tension breeds attraction. Maraming lalaki ngayon yung gustong hindi matapos yung usapan kasi di nila kayang magkaroon ng silence kasi feel nila maboboard yung babae. If you keep on talking, trying to eliminate silence, mafe-feel ng babae that you are scared of losing her. At kapag naramdaman niya yan, she know na nasa kanya na yung leverage ng dynamic nyo. So, pag ganon, kaya kanyang i-take advantage, tipong patatagalin niya muna yung panliligaw mo. Kasi alam naman niyang gagawin mo lahat para wag lang siya mawala. Not only that, for sure, mawawala din yung attraction niya kasi wala ng tension. So, when you use silence, kumbaga, okay lang sa'yo na merong few seconds or minutes of dead air, your words will hold more weight at mas makakaramdam siya ng tension. Kapag di ka takot sa silence, you are now creating this space to make her think about you. So, magsisimula na siya mag-isip or mag-overthink kung na-turn off ka ba sa kanya, may ginawa ba siyang mali, nawala na ba yung interest mo sa kanya. So, a lot of men thinks that women don't get nervous or wala silang social anxiety. And pupusta ako na mas nervyosa at mas mataas yung social anxiety niyan kaysa sa'yo. Lalo na when they are around the man they like. So, be the obvious choice. Be the man that they like. So, the more you make her think about you and the more you make her feel emotions, the more na mas lalalim yung attraction niya sa'yo. So, use silence and space in your favor.